Precision Seals Manufacturing Limited's journey was flagged off when it was established in collaboration with Bendix, Spain for brake seal and other rubber components in the year 1989. Shifting gears and picking up pace, the company started the production of non-seal parts like booster diaphragms in 1995. Further diversification into plastics was made in the year 2000 with the production of Bakelite pistons. In the following year, an MOU was signed with Siam, Fukoku, Thailand for technical assistance in EPDM seals. In 2005, when Bosch took over Kalyani Brakes, simultaneously it kept expanding its manufacturing prowess to produce PET valve bodies in 2004, NRVs and reservoirs in 2006 and floats required in reservoirs in 2009. PSML has consistently demonstrated its technical and project management capabilities by developing products for new platforms like compact booster components as well as other import substitutions for Bosch and other companies. The integrated rubber mixing process started in 2011 gave it the much needed control on end-to-end basis. Beginning with the rubber mix room, where the rubber is mixed with fine chemicals in mixers and then extruded as strips ready for molding. These batches of ready strips are inspected for various parameters including rheology and carbon dispersion in the test lab. Only those batches that meet the strictest norms are approved and allowed for further processing. The approved batches of rubber strips pass through the main rubber injection molding lines equipped with Desma and other machines, where various booster diaphragms get molded. PSML's plastic molding division has various machines for molding booster parts like valve bodies and reservoirs, among many others. Here, a valve body is being molded out of PET material. Similarly, the PPCP material reservoirs are molded into two halves. A float is loaded inside these halves before heat welding them for forming the full reservoir. Each completed reservoir with the float inside undergoes stringent tests for leakage before being certified for dispatch. Even the floats that go inside the reservoirs are molded in-house using nylon 6. During molding, this material is expanded by an expansion agent that reduces its density to less than 1 for making it to float. These floats are thoroughly checked for voids before they are ready for assembling into the reservoirs. The poppet valve is a very critical product and an import substitute for Bosch. The poppet valve molding and checking room is a grey room which is isolated from the rest of the shop floor area. The checking station process segregates good and bad parts automatically. The products that pass the automated stage are later visually checked under a microscope for surface defects. As of now, PSML has ready capability and capacity to supply NOAA diaphragms and reservoirs to Bosch CC worldwide supply chain. It also has the technical capability to develop TMC-8 seals by investing in the latest technology.